Welcome dear viewers. So today we will start with standard 10th maths 1 chapter number 1 linear equations in two variables. So let us start. In this chapter we are going to study these things. First is methods of solving linear equation in two variables. That graphical method is there. And Cramer's rule. Then equations that can be transformed in linear equation in two variables. In linear equation in two variables. And at last, application of simultaneous equations. Application of simultaneous equations. So, in chapter number 1, we will see first point, method of solving linear equations in two variables. Then in that graphical method is there, then Cramer's rule is there. Then next point is equations that can be transformed in linear equation in two variables. At last, application of simultaneous equation. So we'll see them one by one. But before starting, let us know about some basics, okay, in this chapter. Okay, first of all, let us see the title. Title is what? Linear, then equations, then two and variables. So linear, what is the meaning of linear? The meaning of linear is what? Suppose we are having an equation. Here I am writing an equation. That is 4n plus 3n is equal to 12. Okay. So linear means what? So this is the variable, and linear means any equation which is having degree what? 1. Degree 1. So degree will be what? 1. Degree will be 1. An equation in which variables are having degree 1. So that is what? That is the meaning of linear. Equation means what? Equation means you just have to remember this equal to sign. There are two sides. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. Okay, and in between we are having what? Equal to sign. Okay, so that is equation. So any expression which is having equal to sign in it, then it is called as equation. So linear is over, equation is over. Then two variables, 2 and variable. What is 2? 2 is the number, okay, and this variable. Variable means what? These things. A, B, C, D alphabets. Okay, up till Z.